Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Shizuku not running on non-rooted devices. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. After that, open the phone settings and enable developer options. To do this, go to About Phone and find Build Number. Tap on it 7 times to enable the developer options. Once that's done, go back to the settings and open the developer options. From there, enable USB debugging and wireless debugging. Next, open the Shizuku app and click on the pairing option. Shizuku will ask for notification permission, which is essential for it to work properly. Grant the necessary permissions, and you'll see a notification that says it's searching for a pairing service. Now, go back to the developer options and remove any previously paired devices to avoid conflicts during the pairing process. Now, tap on the Pair Device with Pairing Code option. A notification will appear saying Pairing Device Found. Enter the 6-digit code from the notification and click Send. Once the pairing is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. Finally, press the Start button in the Shizuku app. You'll see a message saying that the service is starting and the pairing window will close automatically. Once that's done, Shizuku will be running successfully. So that's basically how you can fix the Shizuku not running issue on non-rooted devices. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.